talking about? What the f***? Press the button! Oh my goodness!
Yeah, that was well done, wasn't it? Nicely done, mate.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
No, you're missing the point. I'm just saying because I'm leaning there.
Oh.
It's like totally in like the wrong place. Dick. I wait in a queue and you can do that.
I didn't even know he wasn't parked.
He was the guy from earlier that jumped ahead.
I didn't even know he was parked. Like, he wasn't parked. He got no lights on. He wasn't indicating.
Yeah.
Particularly if they can't just do it. Seriously?
Alright. The word safe space is in neon. Whoops. That wasn't that well timed, was it?
Indicator would have been nice. Oh.
Yeah, you're going on TV.
Okay then.
And in Cornwall, the A390 eastbound. Roundabout, take the third exit onto A38.
Yep.
Ta-da!
Bye bye.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Sure, right?
Everybody's took it off now. So I don't believe it.
Now here's a slightly rare one from the 1970s. Steering wheel on the wrong side, of course. And here we go from the Sublime to the Blimey. TVR Chimera and a little Frog Eye Sprite. Porsche Macan, the diesel. Doesn't sound quite right in the same sentence, does it? Here we have a 1986 Toyota MR2, an early one.
Now if we can see, wowzers, look at that.
Oh, what is space in there?
Oh yeah, should we pinch your space? Yeah. Is that jacket potato, to be fair? Oh, cracked on. Someone, okay. Yeah, that's just fine. Just have a fire.
Right, okay. Because that's not close to anything that can set your house on fire at all, is it? All that dry grass and dry bushes right next to the flames that then link to your house. That's sensible.
It's a funny old world, isn't it? All right.